The Solarator we've got here at the Hyson Tunnels Road Safety Upgrade project is an initiative we've worked on in conjunction with Black Stump to produce the Solarator, which is powering our site compound in replace of mains generated or diesel generated fuel. So the ability to use solar is part of McConnell Dowell's carbon reduction roadmap.
So when I came out on the first day, when the team showed me the Solarator, I was amazed that it's modular, scalable, transportable and reliable, most importantly. So for our remote construction sites, this is a wonderful initiative.
We're currently saving about 10 tonne of CO2 equivalent each month, and today on the project we've saved 100 tonnes of CO2 equivalent